Hello viewers, I am Venkat Rao Gaddam, stock market technical analyst. So for today's analysis is weekend analysis. So this is for next week, that is from starting from 5th December to 9th December. So in terms of all major indices for Nifty, Bank Nifty, Fin Nifty and IT. So first let us start with Nifty daily chart. So in Nifty daily chart, two bearish candles formed at the top of the uptrend actually. So when we observe these last three candles, it looks like an evening star. But only thing we need to wait for to touch this level actually, that is somewhere 16,000 sorry 18,600 level, 18,618 I think. So once it closes below 18,600 mark, so there may be a short term downward momentum for the Nifty. So in terms of weekly analysis and weekly statistics based on the last week data, Nifty high was showing 18,888 and low was 18,430, and total the range from top to bottom it was showing 458 points range, and we anticipated 296 points range, about 300 points range we expected, and it was formed about more than 450 points. And last week to before last week the range was about 400 points only. So comparatively our expected range and last week previous to previous week range, so this week it was very good actually. Maintaining 450 points range is good range for Nifty. And what we expected 18,888 and low was 18,430. So entire week Nifty was moved in these points only. So 18,436 to 18,888. So total green touch point, 3 green touch points executed and 1 yellow color touch point also executed. It didn't enter into green zone actually. Okay, so in terms of gains, 183 points net to net gains, so comparatively previous week closing and last week closing. So both when we compare 183 points net to net gain and 1% is in terms of returns percentage, 1% gains we achieved in Nifty. So Nifty weekly chart, what it is indicating, there is a good strength actually. So when we compare with all other previous weeks, the closing is one of the best closing. Why? Because the all-time high somewhere in 2021, what it is indicating, 18,600 mark. So this week first time weekly, in terms of weekly data, 18,600 above, closed perfectly somewhere 18,700 level. So this is one of the best weekly closings. So now market till now from last 1 year, these are the swing highs and swing lows. So first time, second time, third time and fourth time, these 4 were the swings, previous swing highs. So first time this swing was cleared all 4 swings, previous 4 swings. So when we see the highest point 18,600 and the lowest point somewhere 15,200 mark, and when we see the difference 18,600 to 15,200 mark, so there are about 3,400 points difference from peak to bottom. So now when this close somewhere 18,700 level close, so that means all 4 major swings highs was cleared off. So now the target, new target for Nifty would be 18,600 mark plus another 3,400 points. So the new Nifty target would be 22,000. So it may be happened in 2023 June, March or October times, but doors were open to reach 22,000 level mark. So this is giving based on the evidence data. So here swing highs and swing lows when we observe. So a very good pattern has been formed. So this is first time weekly wise Nifty was the best closings. So since ever. So 18,700 to another 3,300 points we may expect in next 3 months or 6 months or 9 months. So that's all about Nifty. And when we observe Bank Nifty also, first we'll see daily candle. In daily candle, there may be a chance to convert last 3 candles or evening star. Even in Nifty also, it looks like it may be formed as a evening star. And evening star is one of the bearish pattern when it is formed in uptrend. And 1 week data when we observe, even in 1 week also, this was one high. So here also same thing. So when we observe 2021 times, October 2021, the high was about 41,800 mark and the low was about 32,500 mark. So total 4 swing highs were cleared about 2 weeks ago. So now the new Bank Nifty target would be 41,800 minus 32,500. So total 9,300 marks we can expect, 9,300 points we can expect from 41,800 to 9,300. So 51,000 is next new target for Bank Nifty. Doors were already open. So now we can expect this target 51,100 target maybe next 3 months or 6 months or in 9 months. So for Nifty it would be 22,000 and for Bank Nifty it would be 51,000. Next targets based on the data. So what data it is indicating, just we are explaining for the same. So coming to our analysis. So last week high was about 43,515 for Bank Nifty and the low was 42,740. The actual range was formed about 775 points for Bank Nifty. This is one of the smallest ranges, and what we anticipated about 1,000 points range, but actual range was formed about 775 points only. Previous to previous week, the actual range was formed about 1140 points. So comparatively, previous week and previous to previous week, last week it was very small range. So maybe in short term we may expect some downward momentum for Bank Nifty. So net to net gain was about only 120 points. In terms of percentage, the total net to net gain, week to week gain, it was about 0.3% only. So Bank Nifty clearly it is indicating so some weakness in coming weeks. So for Bank Nifty, the ranges, if we compare, 43,515 was the high. So where it is indicating here only 43,515 and the low was 42,740. So 42,740 is indicating over here. So Nifty executed 3 green points and 1 yellow point, whereas Bank Nifty executed 2 green points and 1 yellow point. So comparatively, Bank Nifty is showcasing some weakness. So maybe the weakness may be started from coming week. So comparatively, Nifty and Bank Nifty in terms of gains, 1% gains week to week gains for Nifty and Bank Nifty 0.3% for week to week gains. So coming to Fin Nifty, So Fin Nifty also exactly looks like Bank Nifty only, but both Nifty, Bank Nifty were cleared all-time highs of 2021 all-time highs, but Fin Nifty it is clear, it is due to clear of 2021 high, so that is about 19,800 level mark. So now this week it was touched somewhere 19,500. Another 300 points is required to clear all-time high. So if we observe, this is 19,800 mark and this is about 15,000 mark. From all-time high to here there were about 1, 2, 3 and 4 swings formed. So all these 4 swings, out of these 4 swings, 3 were cleared already, including last week, and one more swing high needs to be cleared, that is all-time high 19,800 mark. If Fin Nifty also cleared that 19,800 mark, then so Fin Nifty also will have some new targets. 19,800 minus 15,000. So about 4,800 points from 19,800 mark. So 19,800 to 4,800. So next 24,600 mark is the next target for Fin Nifty. If it is closes above 19,800 or 20,000 mark above, if it closes, there may be another 4,500 points target will be there. So coming to last week statistics, so Fin Nifty has created about 391 points range and what we anticipated about 408 points. So more or less same, and previous to previous week the actual range was about 440 points. So all are more or less same what we anticipated and what the actual range formed and previous to previous range. So net to net there are about only 33 points week to week gains, and in terms of percentage only 0.2%. It is very small returns in Fin Nifty last week. So the range is high was about 19,483, it was formed somewhere here, and low was 19,092, it was formed here. So all 3 major indices didn't enter into any red zone. It was clearly traversed among green zones and in between green zone and yellow zones. So it is more or less equal to same one only. Both Fin Nifty and Bank Nifty more or less formed same, almost all flat net to net returns only. And IT, so IT in terms of weekly chart, it was created a new pattern actually. So that is W pattern. So Nifty, IT may have another big move. So till here at least 32,500 level, and after that it may reach another level 32,500. So from here onwards for Bank Nifty, for IT there are about 3 levels. So 36,000, 35,000, 32,500 level. So already this was broken, this high was broken, and clearly it may touch towards it may go higher towards 32,500 and 35,000 in short term. So IT has very good support. So comparatively last week analytics, so the actual range was formed about 1100 points. So what we anticipated was 740 points, but previous to previous week also it was about 1380 points. So very good ranges is getting formed in IT, and IT we may expect some more up move from here. And The net to net points were 717, and in terms of percentage, net to net weekly gains 2.4%. This is one of the best returns for IT. 1 week returns 2.4%. So comparatively, all other sectors like Fin Nifty and Bank Nifty and Nifty, 2.4 percentage returns is very good for IT. Okay, so actual ranges, upper side 31,228 and 30,134. If we place these levels, 31,228 somewhere here and 30,134 somewhere here. So for all indices, Nifty, Bank Nifty, Fin Nifty and IT, it was traded in between yellow and green color zones only. None of the indices entered into red zone last week. So we'll see next week we may expect some weakness in Bank Nifty and Fin Nifty. So that's all about this weekend analysis. So we'll see some important levels for the next week and December month also. So when we observe the actual support points, so this is short-term support, this is mid-term support, and this is long-term support. So Nifty support is showing somewhere at 18,500 level. Now the market closed at 18,700 level. There are about 200 points distance for the short-term support. And here 43,100 was the closing for Bank Nifty, and 42,900 is showcasing the short-term support. So there are about 200 points distance only to break the short-term support. So I am expecting some weakness may be started in Bank Nifty once it closes below 42,900 level. Even Fin Nifty also showcasing same data point. So 19,250 was the closing and 19,184 is the strong support for the short term. So IT anyway, there has been a longer distance, so 30,100 and 31,000. So IT maybe further upside we may expect. Fin Nifty and banks maybe consolidation or somewhat minor downward direction. And Nifty also very good support at 18,500 level. Overall, all four major indices are maintaining short term, mid term, long term, all three terms are very good bullishness it is indicating. So we may see some short term downward momentum for Fin Nifty, financial sector and banking sector. So that's all about weekend analysis. So we'll meet in next analysis. Thank you so much.